Hi, this is Jeff from EcoPro Steam Detailing. Wanted to go over a new accessory from Fortador that's coming. This is the Fortador PowerTwist, and it's great. It's a fantastic tool, both from a cleaning perspective and for a user perspective, from an ergonomic angle, I should say, because rather than moving, like if you're using a pressure washer or a steam gun or any tool that has a jet that's coming out, you're going to get better if you have a wider dispersion angle, or in the case of this, a constant rotation, and then in the Fortador case, we're shooting steam at depending on your machine at 16 bar or 20 bar. And that's a substantial amount of pressure. That's approximately 232 to about 300 psi. So I'm going to demonstrate a couple things. It's just cleaning door jambs, carpets, upholstery, where there's sand embedded in the carpet. It comes right out. And so let's show you how it works, and I'm going to show you the construction. So the construction of the new PowerTwist is very, very heavy-duty plastic outside that'll protect you, inside the interior from you getting injured, and also if you're bumping into something, the whole inside of this is all metal. So if this thing gets stuck with a piece of debris, you can just have a glove on, obviously, because it'll probably be a lot warmer. You can just free it up by spinning. This is all metal. There's a brass fitting here. It's incredibly well built. I've been testing it on a variety of surfaces, and the ease of cleaning is, steam cleaning is very fast when it comes to especially interiors or removing bugs from a front bumper. Very, very noticeable the steam power cleaning ability. But this unit will further aid the efficiency at which you do that, because this is doing a lot of the work for you rather than you having to wave your hand and then wipe with a microfiber towel. So I'm going to show you in a couple different surfaces, and I love it. I'm very excited about it. I had kind of thought that this could be a tool in the future that they would have, and I'm happy to show it to you. So this is an older Camry Solar right here. I just wanted to show it's helpful because it was a white car. It just is taking off everything that was stuck to this lower panel. So rather than spraying this with some type of cleaner to get some of the road film off, and then possibly even a tar remover, you can just do all of it in one move. And this is just, I can't reiterate how much more efficient this is than just the steam gun by itself. And then here on just normal, steam washing, rather than rapidly moving back and forth to, cover the panel thoroughly, I'm just going over it, and it's providing the mechanical effort itself. This does use a little bit more steam because the hole in the tube is larger. It's a larger diameter millimeter than the normal steam gun, but it does so much more of the work for you. Look at that! Just came right out of that upholstery. This is a really good example of, so you want to vacuum this thing for 5 minutes or whatever, but in one move you can just do the whole thing. So this was a pretty nice contrast as black, because I wanted to show the white dog hair, just how quickly you just wipe that with the towel and you're done. It's a Chrysler Pacifica wheel here. Normal dirt on the wheel, and this just takes it all off. So much easier, and you can just get your wheel towel, and if you want to add protection, you can do that afterwards, of course. So didn't really show it here, but it's really good to remove the stuff off tires too, whatever's on there. Definitely you can utilize some of your favorite tire cleaner, but it's just a lot less effort. This was a pretty extreme example. I had to disassemble this guy's truck seat because it was so gross, but this thing, just shot it off and then I wiped the surface. These door jambs are one of my favorites with this new tool. So much less arm back and forth. Here's another door jam. You can see drastically how much it's removing just because it's white. But same thing here. Underneath the weather strip on this door. PowerTwist is really great when it comes to the the front of cars with all those bugs and everything you need to remove, and this does it quite effortlessly. Just kind of combining here with the no rinse wash method with that sponge, and then you can just dry it off. I really am impressed with this new tool. I think that everyone that has a Fortador unit, or if you're thinking about getting one, you'll be very impressed with the unit. I detailed for years without this thing, the PowerTwist that is, and it's just a great addition to the steamer. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at info@ecoprosteam.com, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.